Redneck.
All night. What? That's right. Yeah, and what they call work a digging in the dirt. Gotta get it in the ground before the rain come down to get paid. To get the girl and your four-wheel drive. Yeah, the boys round here drinking that ice cold beer. Talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Chew tobacco, chew tobacco, chew tobacco spit. Oh heck. Well, the boys round here, they're keeping it country. Ain't a damn one know how to do the Dougie. No, I'm not in Kentucky, but these girls round here, yep, they still love me. Yeah, the girls round here, they all deserve a whistle. Shaking that sugar sweet as Dixie Crystal. They like that yawling southern drawling. Just can't help it cause they just keep falling for the boys round here. Drinking that ice cold beer. Talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Chew tobacco, chew tobacco, chew tobacco, spit.
Let's ride through the countryside. Let's ride.
Hey now girl, hop inside. Me and you gon' take a little ride to the river. Let's ride. Lay a blanket on the ground. Kissing in the crickets is the only sound. We out of town. Have you ever got down to the do you wanna get down to the girl, you gotta get down with the boys round here. Drinking that ice cold beer. Talking about girls, talking about trucks, running them red dirt roads out, kicking up dust. The boys round here sending up a prayer to the man upstairs. Backwoods legit, don't take no shit. Chew tobacco, chew tobacco, chew tobacco, spit. Oh heck. I'm one of them boys round here. Well, all I'm thinking about is you and me, how we'll be. So come on, girl, hop inside. Me and you, we're gonna take a little ride. Lay a blanket on the ground. Kissing in the crickets is the only sound. We out of town. Girl, you gotta get down with the through the countryside. Down to the riverside.
Hey, it's Big D and Bubba, and we are live on location. We want you to come on out because this is not just a party, it's a parking lot party with Lee Brice. John's firing up his cold grill.
We got 24 tall boys on the chill. Yeah, 14 of them's mine. A little Marshall Tucker on the radio. You know, we just catch a little groove before the show. We ain't playing nothing slow at the parking lot party. A tailgate buzz, just a sipping on suds. Ain't never too early to light one up, fill up your cup. Cause there ain't no party like the pre-party. And after the party's the after party at the parking lot party. Well, the opening band is doing sound check. Man, they sound pretty good. Hell, I ain't even bought no
Ladies and
tickets
gentlemen,
yet.
here we go.
Yeah, but that's alright, we don't care. 'Cause all the pretty girls are sitting right here, kicking back in a lawn chair at the parking lot party. Tailgate buzz, just a sipping on suds. Ain't never too early to light one up, fill up your cup. 'Cause there ain't no party like the pre-party. And after the party's the after party at the parking lot party. I'll pass me them chicken wings now. Tom's pulling his guitar out. It's about time to pass that shine around. The show's about to start, but we ain't about to leave. It's one a hell of a time, and it's all for free at the parking lot party. The tailgate buzz, just a sipping on suds. Ain't never too early to light one up, fill up your cup. 'Cause there ain't no party like the pre-party. And after the party's the after party at the parking lot party.
There you go. Who's got another one? Come on.
Oh, they gonna have to tow my ass out here. Parking lot party. Oh man, damn, you're up. Parking lot party. Parking lot. Think I ever seen that before?
They decided to take a break from the city. Took a little ride down 95. Pulled off on a little county road. Hit the cracker barrel, home cooking, you know. Had to get a taste of the real world. Bought a camo shirt from the gift shop. Girl hit a gravel road. Not far from there, a little neighborhood. Just looking for deer. Grandma was sitting in the backseat. Saw a little commotion going on. She said, try not to stare, but look over there. Lord, I swear, that's a field full of hillbillies. A bunch of trucks jacked up, kicked back, hanging out like hillbillies. Little girl snuggled up real close, you know, giving up the hillbillies. That right there's a real thing. A bunch of rednecks in the country. Always have been, always will be. A bunch of hillbillies. So they watched a little while sitting there in the car. Pretty soon they started pulling out mason jars, filling up little red cups of plastic like a scene out of National Geographic. The sun was going down, so they lit a fire. The party had some kind of caveman desire. The music they were playing out across that field had the bottom end thumping on the windshield. They know how to make it look fun. Kinda makes you wish you were one. Right there, kids, that's how it is. Right in the sticks. That's a bill for a hill.
It's our final. Congratulations, anyway.
Kick back, hanging out like hillbillies. Little girl snuggled up real close, you know, giving them the thrill billies. That right there's a real thing. A bunch of rednecks in the country. Always have been, always will be. A bunch of hillbillies. of a gun and make it look fun. Oh, there ain't nothing like a field full of hillbillies. A bunch of trucks jacked up, kicked back, hanging out like chillbillies. Little girls snuggle up real close and don't give them the thrill, really. That right there's a real thing. Bunch of rednecks in the country, always have been, always will be. A bunch of hillbillies. Yeah, hillbillies.
There you go, ladies. You see it moving on around.
Worked all week, cleaned up, clean cut,
There you go,
and
Dodge.
clean
It's forward, Dodge.
got the cover off of 68. I fired it up and let them horses sing a little pretty thing, a little tan leg Georgia dream. And she's rocking them holy jeans. Baby, what you got going on Saturday? You know where it's got it. It's gonna be a party out of town about half a mile. Four-wheel drives and big move ties, musket down and wine. Oh baby, you can find me in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of the real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party. If you wanna drink, go baby, just do your thing. Give up the keys. Hell, why drive when you can stay with me? And then after a while, we sneak away from the bonfire, walk by the moonlight and down to the riverside. Got you sipping on some moonshine. Baby, if you're in the mood and you can settle for one night of rodeo, you could be my tan leg Juliet, I'll be your redneck Romeo. Oh baby, you can find me in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things. I get down in that Georgia clay and I'll find peace at the bottom of a real tall cold drink. I'm chilling with some Skinner and some old hay. Let's get this thing started, it's my kind of party. Oh baby, you can find me in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these pretty things.
and the dust, turn the radio up. And that fireball whiskey whispers temptation in my ear. It's a feeling alright Saturday night, and that's how we do it round here.
Ready, boys? David? You guys ready? Todd, you ready? Everybody ready? Racers, are you ready? Crowd, are you ready? Drop. On your mark, get set, go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our drag race. Who's our winner? Who's our run back? Run back. Let's go, Wayne McMichael. Go, Wayne. Go. Go, Wayne. Go. As he slides safely into first base, exposing his man moves, Wayne McMichael. That's the show tonight. Congratulations, Scott Silverdinger, the best. There you go. Matt Sykes fans, we can see around crowd. One down, one to go for this strike. Here we go. Here we go. Soft fans. Here we go. Here we go.
Temptation in my ear. It's a feeling alright Saturday night, and that's how we do it round here. Yeah, that's how we do
We'll
it.
move all the way down to the south end. Start at the north end, going to the south end, and come back. All right, you ready? On the count of 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Yeah. And now back again. South end back up again. Back to north end. Like Talladega. We got something special for Steve and Nancy here.
Gonna drift to the great wide open. Wanna set my spirit free. Won't stop till I reach the ocean. Gonna break these chains holding me. Gonna swim in the coldest river. Gonna drink from a mountain spring. Deep in the land of the great wide open. Let the water roll all over me. Uncaged. Sunshine, and every day find a way to face my fears. I wanna get in the wind. Funny how the good ones go too soon, but the good Lord knows the reasons why, yes. Sometimes a greater plan is kind of hard to understand. Right now it don't make sense. I can't make it all make sense. So I'm gonna sit right here on the edge of this pit and watch the sunset disappear. Drink a beer. So long, my friend, until we meet again. I'll remember you and all the times that we used to sit right here on the edge of this pit and watch the sunset disappear. And drink a beer. Drink a beer. Drink a beer.